Parrot in Purple Parrot Party Palace. Oh, mailbox. Wonder what's in here. Invitation. Hi there. You've been invited to a party at the Purple Palace. We will be getting together later today. Hope to see you there. Pete the Parrot. Well, that's pretty nice. Let's have a look here. Oh, my trusty elytra. Give me this. And let me grab some rockets. Okay, what does this say? With the elytra well equipped, jump in the air to fly. While flying, use the Pyrex rockets to get a speed boost. Okay. Boom. Down, 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 down. Boom. Down, 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 down. Ow. That hurt. Boom. Boom. Ow. Down. Down. Where's it? Oh, over here. Down. Do 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 do. Is this it? Is this party post? I think it is. Let's have a go. Any more beacon beams? Oh, look, some signs. Arm stands can change the pose. Sneak and click on them. Cycle through the possible poses. Very nice. Arm stands can hold items. They'll equip and hold whatever you click them with. Arm stand will take a redstone from on top of the slab or dust. Okay. Armor stands to check redstone power level. Cool. Whoa. What is this place? Armor stand. There's armor stand in the middle here. Maybe I have to pose it? I don't know what's going on. Whoa. I think we need a music disc. I'll be back. Whoa. Wait. What are you holding? Nope. I'll be back. Let's go get a music disc. There's something here. Hole of Heraldry. Banners can be crafted. Okay, no, I need a music disc. Is that the Purple Parrot? Insert disc 11. Where are we gonna get music discs? Go. No, ow. There's a fire challenge? Wait, what's this? Anyone to see the red and yellow small ball. Oh, whoa. A big fireworks show. Oh, disco. I got disc 11. What's this? Load fireworks in this dispenser, trigger with the redstone bone. Well, that's nice, but I got disc 11. Let's go. Pretty sure you gotta put disc 11 over here. Yep, Hole of Heraldry. Here, insert disc 11. Okay. What's that? How many discs is this? Wait. Insert disc blade. What does this say? Simple tricks and plays a random disc when you press a button. If you're not hearing music, you have to download it. Go to the Apple Store and download the free music pack. No. Fireworks station. Yeah, okay. We already have the music disc from here, so I'm gonna figure out what do we do. The wait music disc. Anything? Doesn't look like it. Maybe I have to put the weight one in here. Let's try. How much level does that send out? Yay! Fireworks! What is now? party is about to start, but we replace the music we want to play. It's called Wait. Can you do it? Oh. Oh, well, we did it. We did it. Yahoo! Wait, what's this? Let's do this. Let's go! Hiya! Doesn't it? Maybe press this. Well, we change it to show. Oh, that was a cool time. Thank you everybody for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.